We are back at it again here with another video with the Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with CVNA Stock, Carvana Stock, continuing to push up higher and break through key resistance levels. And it wasn't the only stock pushing up higher. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY bot at 8:55 a.m. sent out a bull indicator. From that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside. Full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 500% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see there popping up within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with CVNA stock trying to hold above $25. We're going to talk about the key levels to watch going into tomorrow, what the data is showing, the inflow versus outflow, and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our AMD bot. Our AMD bot sent out a bear indicator at 9:40 a.m. And from that moment forward, outflows crossed the midpoint to the downside. Pure weakness there on 42 vision. And put options went up 100% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see there popping up within the screen, within the options chain, some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators, getting connected over to our bots. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with CVNA stock, Carvana stock, doing a full transition from the dip area here of white with red borders to the rip area of bright green bars on 42 vision. And if this is your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here and you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with CVNA stock, Carvana stock, under a bull indicator and inflows crossing back over and coming right back down in today's volatility here on the 15-minute, but no bear indicator just yet. And we're going to break that all down in today's video. But when we zoom out here and look at this from the 30-minute, we could see a bull indicator popped up here at around 22.80, canceling out the bear indicator from yesterday at around 23.30. Inflows crossed over, hit highs here of 5.38. And going into tomorrow, what I'm going to be watching very carefully is the inflow versus outflows here on the 30-minute. This is going to be crucial and critical to justify any further strength and continue this possible staircase effect to the upside if these inflows switch from red to green and pull away from the midpoint to the upside, guys. That's going to be crucial and critical. That's what I'm going to be watching very carefully going into tomorrow. And not just that here, on the 30-minute. But when you look at the 1 hour, we could see here that inflows pulled away from the midpoint as they were really close to it yesterday. No bear indicator. The bull indicator from down here at 2150 is holding in effect and staying strong, and it pulled upwards to highs up here of inflows of 3.98 and hit highs up here of 2752. Some of the highest points that we've seen in the recent run, retesting up here the 2730 area, rejected it, came down to 25, and it's fighting here to stay above $26. So we need to talk about here what key levels to watch. And the first thing I would look at very carefully is support. And if these outflows start to begin even further to the downside, and also on the 15-minute, it continues lower instead of coming back up, it pulls down lower and turns red, then the first support I would watch is $25. Then below that comes the $24 range, and then where the bear indicator popped up near 23 to 22.50, guys. That's going to be the crucial levels to the downside if these outflows continue on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and if it starts to roll over from green to red here on the 1 hour. Now, to the upside, it's going to be crucial and critical for these inflows on the 15-minute to cross back over, and if they do, it could quickly start to reflect into these charts that this bull indicator does not get canceled by a bear indicator and continue that staircase effect to the upside. And then on the 30-minute, if that strength can roll over, it's going to be crucial for these outflows to slow down as you see them there, but switch from red to green and pull away from the midpoint to the upside as they're currently sitting at 1.8. I'm going to be watching this very closely going into tomorrow. Hold this bull indicator true, and same thing as the 15-minute. Continue that staircase effect if these bull indicators do not get canceled and these inflows can pick back up to test key resistance levels. Hold that strength on the 1 hour, and the first resistance would be the highs of the day up here of 2750, and if that gets broken through and these inflows pick back up and continue reflecting that strength into these charts, the next resistance level above that is the $29 area, and then above that is $31 to $32. So those are the key levels to the upside, and as we can see here in the live action, these outflows continue to get closer to the midpoint here on the 30-minute, and on the 1 hour it's still flat, and on the 15-minute it's right there sitting sideways, and this is going to be crucial and critical to justify any further strength for these inflows to pick up, to reflect any further strength into these charts, guys. So I'm going to be watching these inflow versus outflows on the 15-minute, on the 30-minute, and the 1 hour very closely, and they're going to be critical and crucial. I would not ignore them, and these are the key levels I'll be watching to the upside and to the downside, and the bull and bear indicators as well. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.